Hi, today I have two padlocks, two ABUS padlocks. One is a big one, 7560, and the second one is a small one, 8540. Both of them are 5-pin locks. This one I do not have a key, it's a pretty old one, a bit rusty. I clean it a bit, a big shackle. I have like normal hands, and sure this is a pretty big one and heavy. It's stand probably hard in German. Yeah, and the second one is this smaller ABUS made in Germany. I think it's a newer model. Here's the key. It's a 5-pin lock. First and the fourth are pretty short. Third is pretty long pin, so good bidding. And it's working very nice. It's not ball bearing, so possibly shimming, but I'm not sure it can be shimmed. And yeah, let's start picking. Let's go with this smaller one. I will use this tension tool and of course the force diamond. Come on, focus. And these two, they have security pins in its spools, and the previous ones did not have. I picked with 3 and 4 pins ABUS's, and here's some stem 557 for both key and the padlock. I don't know what this means, but it doesn't matter. So let's start picking it. So one, it seems like from start the lock is like in some full set, but yeah, I'm not sure. One, it's binding. Click from one. Or no. Come on. Click from one, I think. Click from two. Click from three. It's like, yeah, it's all of them are spools, like 1, 2, 5. Come on, one is binding now. Come on. One, it's giving me a hard time. 1, click, 2, 3, counter rotation, click 4. Come on, 4, counter rotation, click 5, counter rotation, click. So let me check what I did not set properly. Oh, I think I cannot, yeah, I cannot reach 4. Where's Mickey? Yeah, the 4 is a short one, so let me try to set it properly. Pin number 4, if I can reach it with, yeah, I think that's, come on, yeah, I barely reached pin number 4, and we are open. That was the smaller one, so let's try now bigger brother. It's a big one. Let me try with this tension tool, and it's going to be tricky to hold it. It's heavy, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing. 5, I think 5 is binding. Small turn on the core, touch pin 4, touch pin 3, bigger full set, nothing on 1, nothing on 2. So now pin 3 gave me counter rotation, and I don't know if I can set it, because it's an old one, it's like crunchiness a lot. Come on, 3. Yeah, 1, nothing. 2, definitely 3. Yeah, I think I overset something. Yeah, this one is giving me a hard time. I think spools, all of the pins are with spools. Come on, 3. I'm trying with manual counter rotation, but it's not working, obviously. So yeah, set pin 5, set pin 4, pin 3. So now pin 3. Yeah, let me overset. Let me start from the beginning. 1 2 3 nothing, 4 5. Click. Let me check other pins. Now 1. Now I'm in full set. I don't know how you can see it, but now I think pin 3, 5 nothing, 4 nothing, 3. Come on, 3. Yeah, it was 3 that was giving me hard time, and because it's open, it's, come on, focus. I put WD-40 but did not help. My hands are now. Yeah, dirty, give me a second, guys, sorry for that. I opened this one too. So that was 2 ABUS padlocks. This one was 8540 and this was oh, focus, 7560 picked. So guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.